Hi there, it's Trisha here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a coupon for any product in your ThriveCart account, whether it be a percentage off, a dollar off, or entirely for free. This activity will only take you 30 seconds to do, and it's really easy. When you log into your ThriveCart account, you'll see a dashboard along the top here. This is the menu. The left-hand side is the ThriveCart logo. The second button, the two squares, is Dash, Products, Transactions, Partners, Learn, and then the Account button setting. You need to click on Products, and I am now in the Products section. Along the top here, you'll see 5 little tabs: Products, Upsells, Downsells, A/B Tests, and Coupons. Click on Coupons, and all you need to do here is create a new coupon. Now, this coupon can be for one more or more products. It can be for one specific product. It can be for promotion. It can be for anything that you like. So I'm going to show you how I create a coupon, and you can be as creative as you like with this. I recommend that you take a close note of the uppercase or lowercase that you're using so that you copy the same information into the information you give to your audience for them to use it. So let's call this coupon Black Friday special. The first box here is really only for your own information. The second box here, this is the coupon code that you will give to the people who will use this to access. So Black Friday 2023. And then the coupon is enabled or disabled. So if you want this to be live right now, you would enable it. If you want to turn it off in a few days, you can turn it off. You have two choices. You can go for fixed price, percentage, or free shipping. Fixed price will be for any product. In the next section, you'll be able to see how you can assign it to a specific product. I like to go for the percentage because regardless of what it is that I'm selling, this will apply a much more evenly distributed discount rather than if I'm selling a product for $27 or $5, it'll be an equal percentage off each one. So let's just say the discount is going to be 50% off the entire funnel. That means everything that's on that will be the entire funnel. The next bit will take you to the second tab. When can it be redeemed? It's immediate. This coupon is redeemable until I disable or delete it. This coupon will apply to an affiliate, yes or no, and disable after a fixed number of uses. So you might say, yes, I only want it to be available for the first 10 people. And then which products do you want this coupon to apply to? So you can choose all products or a specific product. So let's just say, for example, I want to make it apply to this particular product, or I can also include this one and this one and this one and this one, as many or as few as I like. I'm just going to take the first one and we'll go there and you're done. That's all you need to do. So when you are ready to give this coupon code to anyone, you can give them that short code that I showed you, which is this code here, or you can give them a URL. Now just bear in mind that URL, if I was to copy paste this to a screen right now, it will stay in the cookies for that person and they'll be able to access that discount until they delete it. Now if you don't want to keep this one, you can just simply go edit. You can change any of the details if you want to change it to 30%, save changes, or you can just click on the X button here to delete it entirely. And that's all you need to do. I hope you found that helpful.